What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Taurus, and I am back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, for, the first half of March or whatever. So what's up, Taurus? How you feeling? How you doing? Gang. Well, Taurus Moon gang, okay. But, whatever. So let's, okay, nothing. It's nothing. I thought something flipped over. Time to get a watch. First card out. So it's time to, this card for me means it's time to do something. It's time to get something. You have to go get something. You have to go do it. Let's see. It doesn't necessarily mean, a watch, like go get a watch right now, Taurus. But I mean, it could be a watch for you, but go get something. Oh, okay. So we had not my type and don't stop, try again. So you may have gone to get something or gone to get someone and it didn't work out, and it's saying don't stop, try it again or try again. Okay, we're gonna see what the tarot say. Taurus. No, heartbroken. Dang, and then at the bottom of the deck, jealousy. Oh, no. So, okay. So either you or someone is heartbroken, or someone around you is heartbroken. I don't know if they're heartbroken because they're jealous, or they're heartbroken because, their feelings got hurt, or they're heartbroken. You could be heartbroken for so many fucking reasons. But whatever the reason is, either you or, again, someone in your environment is feeling heartbroken about something. So I feel like they got something. Oh, that didn't sound right. I feel like they obtained, and still it's not gonna, they got something, whether that was a person, place, or thing, okay? And whatever it wasn't their type, but they probably felt so heartbroken, like it didn't work for them by it being not their type. And maybe they're so heartbroken that they don't want to try again, or they're so heartbroken, either you or, whoever is so heartbroken that they're afraid to try again. But let's see, let's pull some tarot on it. Why is, whoa, hell no. I feel like a lot is coming out at once. Okay, let me see. Time to get a watch. Okay, the Starman, or the Magician in this deck. So, well, the Magician in traditional tarot, the Starman in this deck. And it's essentially someone who can create anything from anything. Or this idea of being able to manifest, or being able to bring anything you want into existence as you want it. So it's time to call something in. It's time to manifest something. It's time to, yeah. Okay, so then we have the Ace of Pentacles, and the aces are about new beginnings. I don't want to be pessimistic. It just broke my heart a little bit. It just all right, anyways. So the Ace of Pentacles is about planting seeds. It's about new beginnings and finances, new beginnings, new homes, new cars, new relationships, new, whatever. Anything that you can touch, see, smell, hear, and taste, right? And then the Nine of Pentacles is a card about being single, independent, stable, and, just kind of having everything going for you. And then with both of these being in reverse is the opposite of, or, feeling this way, feeling like, you're codependent, like you're not That's what I'm looking for. You're not independent, or feeling like you can't get this new home, or you can't get this new job, or you can't get this new whatever. Like, just feeling like something is either not working for you or not going to work for you. But the cards are saying whatever it was, like, don't stop, try again. So you may be heartbroken about like trying something, and then, you know, like maybe it's a business and then it didn't work the first time or the first couple times or whatever the fuck. And then, you know, you kept getting heartbroken about it, or you're heartbroken about it, and, you know, the need to just keep going, because again, like, you can will anything you want from what you have. Let's see, heartbroken. Oh my God, Taurus. Oh my God, y'all are gonna make me sad. Stop. Okay, we have the sun reversed, Leo energy. The sun, look at this. Look how bright this card is, first of all, okay? So the sun is about happiness, extreme happiness, like things that make you so happy you could fucking cry. But yeah, so obviously in reverse, not feeling that way, or feeling extremely sad, or feeling extremely hurt, or extremely vulnerable, right? And then we have the Six of Pentacles. And the Six of Pentacles is about giving and receiving on an even level, or like an even exchange, or just the feeling of giving and receiving, right? But in this particular deck, it's being showered or being praised. Like, this Tiger man is showering her with gifts. He's showering her with praise. And then with this being in reverse, both of them is feeling heartbroken about not getting praise, not getting showered with something, not being able to exchange with people in the way that you would want to, or exchange resources in the way that you would want to. Dang, Taurus. And then at the bottom of the deck, we have Justice in reverse. So I feel that I feel like you may be in a dark place, Taurus, either you or someone that is in your environment, but they may be feeling like they're in a dark place where they couldn't manifest, or they felt this way. And now they're entering this energy of this magician energy of turning things around, or at least acknowledging what needs to be turned around, or what needs to be changed, or where new beginnings and stability, and you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I say that a lot, but understanding where this independence is going to come from, and then planting new seeds, you know, trying again. Like, you know, don't just plant one, plant a whole bunch, you know, don't put all your eggs in one basket type shit. Like, that's how it feels, like just creating new things for yourself, and then building on the old ones, like trying again, you know, and then just balancing your head and heart, or the need to, with Justice at the bottom of the deck. Let's see. Dang, Taurus, you can do it. I believe in you. On God. Taurus, like, yeah, y'all are good at manifesting shit, especially money, like, especially the energy of money, like, bruh. Let's see. Bruh, you're very close to achieving your goal. Don't let pride get in your ways at the bottom, but I'm gonna pull one more for you, Taurus. Conclusions are within reach. So yeah, you're getting close to the end of something, and I feel like it's the end of this heartbrokenness, the end of this pain, or this cycle of feeling like you could not manifest, or you could not start these new beginnings, or you couldn't take these new beginnings, or you couldn't do these new things. Like, I feel like you're coming to the end of that, and really getting shit done, like really getting the shit that you want. Emotions are running high. Whew. So yeah, that is what I have for you today, Taurus. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything. You already know the spiel, okay? So yeah, if you need a personal reading, the information for that is in the description box below. And until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.